Ever wondered why sometimes you get sick and other times you're in good health condition? That's your immune system at work. But what happens when this system goes rogue? Let's dive into the fascinating world of our body's defense mechanism and its darker side, autoimmune disorders. First off, our immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. It keeps a record of every germ it has ever defeated, so it can recognize and destroy the germ quickly if it enters the body again. Pretty impressive, right? But sometimes this system can get confused, attacking not just invaders but our own tissues. This, my friends, is the basis of autoimmune disorder. Diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, where joints swell and ache, lupus that can affect skin, joints, and organs, and multiple sclerosis, which impacts the brain and spinal cord. These are not just names. They are battles some people fight daily. You might ask, how does someone get an autoimmune disorder? Well, it's like a bad lottery. Genetics play a huge role. If your family has a history, you might be more prone to it. And then, there are triggers like viruses or environmental factors that can kickstart these conditions if you're genetically predisposed. Symptoms of these disorders often include fatigue, joint pain, and inflammation. Imagine feeling tired day after day without a clear reason why, or your own body inexplicably turning against you. It's a tough fight, to say the least. Now, is there anything we can do about it? While there is no one-size-fits-all solution, maintaining a robust immune system is key. And here's something intriguing: immuregin beta-glucan. After 5 decades of research and clinical studies in Europe, this natural supplement has shown promise in supporting DNA integrity and modulating the immune system. It's not just about fighting diseases, it's about balancing our body's own defenses. But remember, while supplements can help, they are part of a larger picture that includes a healthy lifestyle, regular checkups, and understanding your own body's signals. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Your immune system is your hero, and sometimes, ironically, your nemesis. Nourish it, understand it, and listen to your body. Because the more you know, the better you can protect yourself. Thanks for sticking with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you stay informed and healthy. Keep fighting the good fight with knowledge as your shield. Now, to learn more about immuregin glucan and how to avail it online, check the links in the description box. Stay tuned in the next segment to take a peek at the amazing benefits of immuregin glucan on how to achieve optimal health.
Immuregin and beta-glucan 1316. Are you feeling constantly tired and run down? Battling frequent illnesses and feeling vulnerable? Do you long for a stronger immune system to keep you energized and protected? This could be you, unless you discover the powerful synergy of immuregin and beta-glucan 1316. Imagine waking up feeling vibrant and energized, ready to conquer your day. Picture yourself enjoying life without the fear of illness holding you back. Envision a stronger, healthier you ready to thrive. This is the power that awaits you within immuregin and beta-glucan 1316. Immuregin Glucan Plus is exclusively distributed globally by Forever Healthy Products. Learn how immuregin and beta-glucan 1316 work together to boost immune system function, increase energy levels, reduce stress and anxiety, promote overall well-being. This is your chance to take control of your health and unlock a life of vitality.